Hello, my dears. How are you today? How is everything with you? I always hope the best for you. Okay? Selalu berharap kalian sehat-sehat aja ya. Okay, my dear. Now I want you look at this picture. Coba perhatikan gambar berikut ini. There is a taxi, plane, bus, train, and car. Now, after looking at the picture, do you know what is our lesson for today? Setelah melihat gambar ini, apa kalian tahu kira-kira apa pembelajaran kita untuk hari ini? Yeah, you are right. Today, we are going to learn about transportation or kinds of transportation. Okay? Jenis-jenis transportasi. Definition. What is definition of transportation? A transportation is the activity of taking goods or people from one place to another place in a vehicle. Yaitu, transportasi merupakan kegiatan yang mana memindahkan atau mengangkat barang atau manusia dari suatu tempat terhadap tempat yang lain atau ke tempat yang lain menggunakan kendaraan. That is definition of transportation. Itu definisi dari transportasi. Now, let us see the kinds of transportation. Transportations are divided into three. Nah, jadi transportasi itu dibagi menjadi 3 bagian. Namely, they are first land transportation, and the second air transportation, and the third is water transportation. Yang artinya transportasi darat, transportasi udara, dan transportasi air. Come on. We check it. Kita lanjut ya. Land transportation atau transportasi darat. Could you tell us the name of land transportation? Bisa nggak kamu kasih tahu apa-apa aja yang termasuk dalam jenis transportasi darat? Here, land transportation. Kita lihat. Here are some example of land transportation. Come on, you follow after me. Kita baca sama-sama ya. Kalian ikuti. Car. Car artinya mobil. Bus. Bus artinya bus. School bus. School bus artinya bus sekolah. Bicycle. Bicycle sepeda. Motorcycle. Motorcycle sepeda motor. Truck. Truck artinya truk. Train. Train kereta api. Taxi. Taxi taksi. Scooter. Scooter skuter. Crosstown. Crosstown angkutan kota. Pickup car. Pickup car mobil terbuka. Pedicab. Pedicab becak. If just now we have learned about land transportation, now let's see about air transportation. Barusan kita telah belajar tentang jenis-jenis transportasi darat, sekarang kita lihat transportasi udara ya. Vocabularies about air transportation. Vocabularies atau kosakata yang berhubungan dengan transportasi udara. Come on. Plane. Plane artinya pesawat. Helicopter. Helicopter artinya helikopter. Air balloon. Air balloon balon udara. Jet. Jet pesawat tempur. That is about air transportation, itu tentang transportasi udara. Now let us continue to this one about weather transportation atau transportasi air. Vocabularies about water transportation. Vocabulary atau kosakata yang berhubungan atau yang membicarakan tentang transportasi air. In the left side name of the transport and in the right side their meanings. Come on. We read it together ya. Kita baca sama-sama. Follow me. Ship. Ship artinya kapal. Yacht. Yacht. Perahu layar atau kapal pesiar. Boat. Boat. Perahu. Tanker. Tanker. Kapal tangki. Submarine. Submarine. Kapal selam. Sailing boat. Sailing boat. Perahu layar. Using in sentences. Penggunaannya dalam bentuk kalimat. First, if you want to ask about the transportation that someone usually uses, then use the sentences. Artinya, ketika kamu ingin menanyakan tentang transportasi yang digunakan seseorang atau yang biasanya digunakan seseorang, kemudian gunakanlah kalimat di bawah ini. Di sini ada beberapa contoh kalimat yang dapat kita gunakan untuk menanyakan transportasi. 1. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Bagaimana kamu pergi ke sekolah? 2. I go to school by crosstown. Saya ke sekolah naik angkutan kota. Number 3. How does he go to the market? How does he go to the market? Bagaimana dia pergi ke pasar? Number 4. She goes to the market by bus. She goes to the market by bus. Dia ke pasar naik bus. Number 2, if you want to ask about transportation that someone will use for traveling, then use the sentences. Nah, ketika kita ingin menanyakan seseorang, ketika misalnya dia ingin jalan-jalan, dia ingin liburan, kemudian kita ingin menanyakan, kamu naik apa? Nah, kita bisa pakai kalimat-kalimat di bawah ini ya. Contoh, how will your brother go to Bandung? Bagaimana kakak kamu akan pergi ke Bandung? My brother will go to Bandung by car. Kakak saya akan pergi ke Bandung menggunakan mobil. How will you go to Singapore? How will you go to Singapore? Bagaimana kamu pergi ke Singapura? I will go to Singapore by plane. I will go to Singapore by plane. Saya akan pergi ke Singapura menggunakan pesawat. That is some example of sentences that we can use when we want to ask someone. Nah, itu beberapa contoh kalimat yang bisa kita gunakan ketika kita ingin menanyakan transportasi yang digunakan oleh seseorang. Okay, my dear, that is our lesson for today. I hope you got it. After learning this one, you can determine which one is land transportation, which one is water transportation, and which one is air transportation. Jadi setelah belajar ini kamu bisa menyebutkan nama-nama transportasi ya, yang mana termasuk transportasi air, udara, darat. Oke? I hope you got it. Miss berharap kalian bisa mengerti ya. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you and see you.